if your microwave is not heating and you want to test the diode, the high voltage diode, then you need a meter with a 200 mega ohm resistance scale. So then in one direction it should give a resistance, and in the other direction there should be an infinite resistance. As you can see on the meter, it should show 1. So let's test this diode. Now this is a new diode. Okay, you can see in one direction it gives you 1, which is good. It is an infinite resistance, and in the other direction it should give you a resistance. You can see there on the meter, so there is resistance. So this is a good diode. This is a new diode. This is the old diode. So we're going to test this one. This is a bad diode. You can see in one direction it gives you a low resistance, and in the other direction it also gives you a low resistance. So this diode is bad. So that's how you test the high voltage diode over microwave.